Hello. In this video, we're going to see a problem that uses some logic concepts. Let us first read the problem. A study was done on the weights of different types of fish in a pond. A random sample of fish were caught and marked in order to ensure that none were weighed more than once. The sample contained 150 largemouth bass, of which 30% weighed more than 2 pounds. Which of the following conclusion is best supported by the sample data? So in all these type of logic problems, what we need to understand is take what they have given and from that data, what can be concluded. There might be some options which might be true or which can be true, or it is a good option, but we cannot pick those data. We need to pick what actually you can infer from that message or from that paragraph. So here they're talking about different types of fish in a pond. But if you see here, random sample of fish were caught and marked. So there is another sentence. The sample contained 150 largemouth bass. So here clearly they're talking about largemouth bass, of which 30% weighed more than 2 pounds. So now the sample contained only 150 largemouth bass, and they're talking about the weight of those largemouth bass type of fish. Now what is the conclusion you can make from the sample data? The majority, let's look at all the answer choices. A, the majority of all fish in the pond weigh less than 2 pounds. There is no way from this data you could get that information. So that cannot be wrong, correct? The average weight of all fish in the pond. Again, they are talking about all the fish in the pond, but we sampled only largemouth bass. Okay, so even that cannot be the answer. Approximately 30% of all fish in the pond weigh more than 2 pounds. That's also not correct. Approximately 30% of all largemouth bass in the pond weigh more than 2 pounds. So the sample contained 150 largemouth bass, and of which 30% weighed more than 2 pounds. So you can conclude that approximately 30% in the entire pond, since you took 150 and out of that 30% weighed more than 2 pounds. So approximately when you take all the largemouth bass in the pond, it would weigh more than 2 pounds. This is something which could, you can infer from the above sample. The first three definitely doesn't even make sense. So D is the correct choice, and that's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video.